Every day in 2025, we witness the world becoming darker, not just in war zones or refugee camps, but in the hearts of people. The line between truth and falsehood has blurred. Lies are packaged as facts. Innocent lives are labeled as threats, and the oppressed are blamed for their own suffering. Among all the tragedies we see, one continues to bleed more than any other: the suffering of the people in Palestine. What's happening in Gaza is no longer a hidden crime. It's broadcast in real time while the world scrolls past, numb and distracted. But in the silence of the world, believers hear something louder: the nearing footsteps of Imam Mehdi. This is not a dream or a fantasy, it is a truth rooted in authentic words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He told us there would come a time when injustice would cover the earth like night, when rulers would betray their people, when truth would be rare, and those who held on to faith would be like those holding on to burning coals. That is our time. But the Prophet also gave hope. He said that from his own family a man would rise, guided directly by Allah, a man who would not fear the blame of the critics, a man who would bring justice after the world has drowned in injustice. That man is Imam Mahdi. What makes this time different is how clearly the signs have begun to appear. The division in the Ummah, the betrayal of Palestine, the false peace talks, the silence of powerful governments, the normalization of occupation. These are not just political failures. These are the exact conditions described before the arrival of the Mahdi. And what we see now is a clear warning. The world has crossed a line, and Allah will not allow this injustice to continue unchecked. The Mahdi will not come with slogans or political promises. He will not hold press conferences or try to please the world. He will be a man of deep sincerity, unknown to most, but recognized by the sincere. When the time comes, the righteous will pledge allegiance to him in Makkah. It will not be a global event with media coverage. It will be a quiet beginning, but what follows will shake the entire world. He will not rise just to speak about justice. He will establish it. With the support of the sincere, he will confront the most powerful forces on earth, and they will not be able to stop him. He will bring freedom not only to the people of Palestine, but to every heart that longs for truth. He will remove corrupt rulers, expose hypocrites, and revive the full teachings of Islam, not just in prayer and fasting, but in leadership, in mercy, and in power. Palestine will be among the first places where his justice will be felt. He will not beg for ceasefires. He will not negotiate with those who murder women and children. He will bring a justice that cannot be undone. The people who have lived under oppression for decades will see a day when their cries are answered, their land is honored, and their dignity is restored. That day is promised, and the one who will lead it is the Mahdi. But he is not just coming for Palestine, he is coming for the whole Ummah, for every mother who buried her child under drone fire, for every father who lost his home, for every orphan left behind by war, for every sincere believer who held on to truth while the world drowned in falsehood. His coming will divide the world not by race or nationality, but by truth and falsehood. And every person will have to choose to stand with him or to stand with the systems that oppress the innocent. Now is the time to prepare, not by looking for signs in the sky, but by cleaning our hearts. The Mahdi is not coming for spectators. He is coming for those who are ready to act, to support, to sacrifice, and to stand for truth no matter the cost. We must renew our connection with Allah, strengthen our character, and remove our fear of the world. Because when he comes, the test will not be to believe in him, the test will be to follow him. And when that moment arrives, when the world thinks it has won, when the oppressed seem forgotten, the Mahdi will rise, not as a legend but as a leader, not with promises but with action. And the oppressed will know Allah never forgot them.